Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in the studio, I'm going to show you how to download your game saves to your PlayStation 5 Pro. So I'm just playing Red Dead Redemption 2 and I want to get my single player back. How can I do this? So let's go to the home screen and I'm going to close down this application right here. And I'm going to go to Manage Saves or Upload/Download Save Data. If I go to here, I can download the data from my cloud PlayStation Plus account. So you can see upload if I want to upload it. Otherwise, I can go to download right here. Looks like the last time this was saved was 11/8 of 2024 at 6:17 p.m. So I can just download this right here. And this will download this one file. So it looks like it's the same file. I don't think I played this a whole lot recently. Now we can do this with every game. And that'll make it a lot easier to, if I'm switching from one game to the next, so I don't have to download them individually. Let's go to settings and go on down under here. Go to save data and game app settings. And then go to the right and go to download or delete from console storage right here. We can do that if we got PlayStation Plus. Otherwise, we have upload or delete from console storage. So let's go to download right here. Select this. And this is going to download from the cloud to your PlayStation 5 Pro. So I'm going to just select all. And it looks like this isn't going to be too large of files. No. And this is just the game save. So your single player and maybe some of your settings and something like that. So let's go on over to download now. So this is about 5 gigabytes. And this is going to take a while. So some of them are just going to be the same because I recently just did this. So I'm going to go to apply all and go to yes. So it's going to be the same download, so there might not be a lot for me, but there might be a lot for you. So this should help you out with all your single player games. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.